Today, I'll be introducing to you a very important website where you can get all your essential applications for your computer. Most of the time, people struggle to get some of the basic applications, softwares that they need for your computer, like application for playing music, playing videos, and some other important application. The application that you need is already available in the internet, and it's simple and easy to install. It's left with you now on how to access all of those applications. So now this website I'm coming to show you is one of the best and very simple websites to use so that you can get your basic softwares that you need for your computer. You have to go to your browser that you're using and type nanite.com, NINITE.com, and click chat. Now it will automatically take you to the website of nanite.com. As you can see, nanite install and update all your programs at once. No toolbars, no clicking next, just jump, uh, just pick your apps and go. So this one is telling you that it's not like those other websites that when you go to the websites, they will redirect you to another website to download. On this website, when you come here, you will have the opportunity to click and download what you want and install for free. Always up to date. So this one is telling you that with this one, you can be able to up to date your drivers at any moment. You can see this one 14 hours ago, 13 hours ago, 23 hours ago. So they are updating their softwares time to time. So as we go down on this website, you can see that we have series of application and for different purposes. As you see, pick the apps you want. And there is also another very important and useful tip in this website. You can click several um, softwares that you want to download, and you click at once and get what you want to download. You can see you have them, so you have this opportunity for you to click and choose what you want to download. Now let's look at this different application and see some of the applications that are available in this website. First of all, for web browsers, for using the internet, you need a very good web browser for you to always get access to the internet resource. Now you have Chrome browser, you have Opera Mini, you have Firefox, you have Edge, you have Brave. So these are all browsers that you can get access to. You can click on any one of these and download and install them. And also you have messaging apps that are available for free. You have Zoom, you have Discord, you have Skype, you have Pigeon, you have Tombad, you have Trillian. All of these are available for you to install. You have imaging apps. You have a lot of them here that you can use. You can download and put in your computer. Very simple and easy to do. You have documents. These are PDF readers that you can. Sometimes you cannot read your PDF in your computer. So these are some of the PDF readers that you can install in your computer to help you read your PDF files. You have media. This area is for music and videos. You see Spotify, you have VLC media player, you have a lot of them here that you can download for you to listen to music and play your videos. And also you have here some .NET framework. These are for basically your computer programming softwares, .NET framework and other things. Here for Java, JDK, you see programmers will understand the use of this one. Install them when you want to use Java operating system and do your Java coding. And also you have online storage, see Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, and the rest. You have file sharing. You can use this one for file sharing between a computer and another computer. You have compression softwares like 7-zip. zip and WinRAR, which this is one of the most popular zip software that you use. This one, I think most of us know the use of this one when you have a very large files that you want to put and share. Normally you use this one, especially if you want to share it to email and other means. You put them into WinRAR so that they cannot be affected by virus and other things. Here, developers tools, Python. See, you can use this one to install your Python, install your Eclipse, Visual Studio Code. You can use this one. So you have a lot of utilities in this website that you can use for free. So you see, you have AnyDesk. This one, you can use it to get access to another person's computer. Like I am here, I can connect to another person's computer that have AnyDesk. I can have access to the computer and help the person fix an issue in his or her computer. You have TeamViewer. You have lots of them here. You have others. So these ones, they put them in others. These are other important softwares. So now download and run your custom installer and updater. Get your Nanite. So now you have this area, manage all your machine on the web with Nanite Pro. So now let's try to download one of these software and try to install so that we see the importance of this website. So as you can see, it's very simple and straightforward. You can just click on what you want and install. So as I have clicked on VLC media player, let me try to click on get your Nanite and see, although it will take a long time, which I don't think. If okay, you see it's downloading, already download, so I need to click on it, trying to install. Now preparing your setup. It depends to your internet and the size of the file that you choose. So now they're asking me if I want to install. Said yes. Preparing setup. You see, downloading VLC. Now it's downloading, which we need to give some time so that we can get VLC media player in my computer. And you also have the opportunity to get any of those softwares that you want. It's free and it's simple for you to install. You don't need to bother yourself with a lot of clicking and doing a lot of things. It's very simple and easy. Please, if you've watched this video to this point, I know it has created some little impact. Please like, comment, share, and please subscribe to my channel for you to see these types of video. So we are still downloading the VLC. So as I said earlier, it depends on your internet speed. Now I think we are almost done. So as the moment you are done installing it, so you can basically use it for free without any stress. Okay, as you are seeing, it's almost at the end of it, installing VLC. So now it has downloaded. Now it's installing the VLC media player for me. Finishing. You see, finish, close. Now I've got my VLC. Let me try to search for it and see if it's already available. VLC. Now I think I have VLC media player here. Boom. This is my VLC. This is the first time of opening it, so just continue. You see, this is my media player. I can use this one to play videos and play music. Thank you very much for your attention. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.